Hi guys, it's CT Johnson, the funding doctor here. We're in day 101 of the pandemic and things continue to evolve pretty rapidly in the finance world. One of the things that has started to happen a lot, unfortunately, and one that we're going to talk about today is the invocation of material adverse change clauses or force majeure clauses, which allow the lenders to call in a loan that is out there. If that happens to you, it's very distressing, it's very disturbing, and there's only a limited number of things you can do. The first thing you can do is you can fight it. You can decide that you're not going to accept this. You can go to court and see about getting relief from that and try to keep the lender in the loan. My strong advice about that is talk to your lawyer before you jump on that, because it's very likely, based on what I've seen, that the way most contracts are written, and it depends entirely on the contract, but the way most loan contracts are written, the lender does have the ability to do that. And so the best you're going to get out of that is probably just a holding action that you delay it in time. And the worst is that you're going to lose anyway, and you're going to end up having to pay fees and have other problems out of it. So if you're considering that option, I really urge you to talk to your lawyer before you take any steps in that direction. The second thing that you can do is you can refinance. Now that's difficult because if the finance world were operating in a regular way, then you wouldn't be in this position. If you're in this position, it's because the lender feels that the value of your collateral has gone down. And if they feel that way, it's likely that others feel that way. However, different lenders take different views on things. Sometimes lenders are willing to get into, especially on a longer term basis, they're willing to get in at a higher loan to value ratio. And the other thing is you may be able to bring other collateral into a new loan. It's something that I'm seeing quite a bit out there. If you are in that situation where you feel like you have to refinance, or that's the best option, please give me a call, because that's something that I work with every day and something I'm likely to be able to either help you with or tell you that it's at least give you a definitive answer about whether it's available or not. So give me a shout. Happy to give you my honest opinion about what's going on in the market and what the options are for you. The third and best option by far is to work with the lender. One of the things is people tend to imagine sometimes that the lender doesn't know what's going on, and that if you call them up and talk about problems, that it's going to alert them, and therefore it's going to trigger some bad event. In my experience, that is not at all how it works. The lender knows what's going on. It's their money that's out there. They've been watching this since the beginning of the pandemic. They probably are doing their own valuations on every property, every asset or piece of collateral that they have in their portfolio. So they're very well aware. They are much better disposed to people who are on the front foot with them and who are trying to resolve the situation, other than people that they have to chase and they get into conflicts with. So that's my strong advice, is that talk to your lender and see what you can do, see what kind of accommodation you can come to. This is a really difficult topic. I know it's very hard to navigate. For some people, it's really it's a big shock that this is even something that can be happening in their loan. So if you have those questions, if this is happening to you and you'd like to talk about it, you'd like to see if there's maybe some option for refinancing or for getting a better deal with the lender, please give me a shout. I'd love to talk to you about it and at least offer you an opinion about what I see going on in the market and what I think your options are. My name is CT Johnson, and I'm the funding doctor. Take care.